Did you know about the knocker-up job in medieval Europe? These folks were the OG human alarm clocks before smartphones and mechanical clocks became a thing. A knocker-up's job was to wake people up for work by knocking on their windows with some long sticks, or popping peas through a blowpipe if they're feeling a bit extra. But here's the twist, ain't no snooze button in this game, so missing their wake-up call meant being late for work. Talk about a legit reason to not hit the snooze and lose. Follow Fun Facts Station for more.